Hello guys, how you all doing today? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be making vegetable soup, and here are the ingredients I'll be using: stockfish, dry fish, salt, seasoning cube, smoked fish, cow tail. I'm using cow tail. I've deep boiled it. Crayfish, ugu, okazi, pepper, yellow pepper, onions, locust beans, and okpehe. The water I use for the meat, waterleaf and palm oil. We are going to blend all this together. So go ahead and pour your palm oil in the pot. Allow it to heat a little bit, then pour in the mixture, the blended mixture. Mix everything together and let it cook. So go ahead and add in seasoning cube. Then add in salt. Put in your crayfish. Mix everything together and let it cook. Cover it and let it cook. After a few minutes, go ahead and check. Then we'll put in our meat. I'm using cow tail. I'll put in my stockfish. Cover it and let it cook. Now go ahead and put in dry fish. Mix everything together. Please guys, make sure you wash your vegetables. For me, I've already washed it. I didn't want to show the process so that the video won't take much time. So you make sure you wash your vegetable with salt, and your dry fish, wash it with warm water. Go ahead and put in your smoked fish. Mix everything together. Then you put in your okazi. I'm not using much. Allow it to cook for a little bit. Then I'm going ahead to put in waterleaf. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and hit the notification button, so whenever I upload a video you will be able to watch. Thank you. We'll go ahead and mix the vegetable. And this is my second video on YouTube. Please go ahead and subscribe. Mix everything together. Then go ahead and put in your vegetable, your ugu. Make sure you wash your ugu with salt, please, because I've already done it. Now go ahead and mix everything together. This process, don't let your vegetable to overcook. So after putting in your ugu, I went ahead and mixed it together. Then let it cook for 1 minute. Then I turn off my heat so that the vegetable will remain fresh. So now our vegetable is ready to serve. I hope you are going to try this at home. Try it and let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to serve it with fufu. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.